Hi everyone, I'm Slawek with idrinkcoffee.com. We're here at the RC show in Toronto. I'm here with Franjo Kis from Latte Art Factory, and he's going to give us a rundown of this revolutionary new product that dispenses not just milk, but also produces cold brew, has all sorts of fantastic features that will really make life at your cafe a lot easier.
Right now we're actually looking at the classic model. If we jump over to the right, you have the bar model. So Latte Art Factory offers two different versions of the LAF. One for a sleek design that you can have on counter with your refrigeration and module below, or if you're limited with space, you can go with the simple classic, pop it on top, plug it in, and you're ready to play. What has been the main and crucial component of the growth of Latte Art Factory is the form of atomization and of course quality and consistency this machine can offer when you are making a beverage. So what I want to do quickly, Slawek, is actually prepare a beverage to show people what this helps with your daily workflow when you're at a busy cafe. So while I'm now preparing the grinding of the coffee, I'm going to have my cups done. I've got a beautiful grind to weight by Malkoning. This is, I believe, the E65S, is that correct?
Yep,
lovely piece of machinery. And I am now going to prepare my coffee here. While I'm doing that, I'm already going to start dispensing my milk into my pitcher. What does this actually do for me right now? I have the coffee going, I have the milk coming to my pitcher, I have free hands. I can now prepare my next beverage, clean up, speak to my customer, and probably cross-sell and upsell another product. So I have a lot of time to actually work on other things other than worrying about just steaming my milk. So here we go. My coffee is exactly done and my milk is perfectly foamed. Take a look at that. Silky smooth. Honestly, you can't see it yourself.
That's actually oat milk in there.
That's correct. That is oat milk. So I am not even close to a good barista. But what I say about this machine, it makes a bad barista good and a good barista fast. And voila. Look at that, guys. A little bit of spillage, which is okay. It's my first time. But as you can see, once I eliminate these bubbles, you're getting a beautiful, silky, smooth texture and cream when you're dispensing this milk into your cup. It's a dry foam system, which means it doesn't use steam or water to prepare this amazing beverage. But it can also do what Slawek said, cold brew. And what we have in this machine is actually a cold brew pre-mix, and we're actually going to dispense a nitro cold brew into the cup. So take a look at this now. What it's going to do now is as the gear pump churns the cold brew through, it's going to start to activate a high amount of air into the beverage, which is giving us this beautiful, beautiful cream, which will end up looking like a Guinness effect at the end of it. So when I now stop this here, and I can of course preset how much I want in my cup, so of course we eliminate zero wastage. Now have a look at that. Slawek, try that, let me know what you think.
It really is quite incredible. It's, okay. I know there's no nitrogen in this, but it tastes exactly like a nitrogen-infused coffee. You can do it all with incredible ease using the Latte Art Factory.
Exactly, and also over here, let's say you don't want to use a pitcher, you're busy. I can just dispense it into the cup directly. It has a two-phase system, which it will now dispense liquid foam, as you can have a look, and it will top it up with solid milk foam, or let's say what we have here is plant-based liquid, which is giving us a beautiful finish in cup. Take a look at that, guys. And remember, this is plant-based. This is oat milk. One bounce, voila. Now let me try that. Perfect temperature, 63 degrees, always controlled. And I would like to say again, thanks to Slawek for having us over here. If you're at the show, or if you want to look at any more of the products and get a bit more of a better understanding, Slawek and the team are always around to help you out.